Hi, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are preparing a variety rice recipe from the state of Karnataka called Vangi Bath. This is made using the long green variety of brinjal. We will also be making a fresh masala for this recipe. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it for notification, and also like, share and comment. So let's move right in. So first we're going to prepare the Vangi Bath masala. So for that I've taken some oil in a kadai. Into that we're going to add dry red chili, chana dal, coriander seeds and urad dal. We'll add it to the oil and then fry it until the dals turn brown. So the dal has turned into brown color. Now we'll add in the rest of the ingredients, which is cinnamon, cloves, star anise and some poppy seeds. We'll roast that as well for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add the desiccated coconut or the dry coconut, whichever you're using. We'll fry this also for a few minutes. Once they're nicely roasted, we'll switch off the stove, cool the masala completely and then ground it into a powder. Now I have a separate kadai on fire with some oil heating up. Into that goes mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal and peanuts. You can also use cashews instead of the peanuts. So let's add all of these into the oil. Now we'll just fry them until the mustard splutters and the urad dal and the chana dal browns. Once the dal is browned and the mustard is splattered, we will add in some curry leaves. Now I've got the brinjals cut lengthwise like this and I've left it to soak in some water. Now we'll add these brinjals into the tempering. Squeeze out all the water before adding it in. Now let's fry the brinjal in this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now we'll add some turmeric powder into this. Let's add some salt as well and saute the brinjal for another 2 minutes. Now we'll add the tamarind extract. And the jaggery. This is optional. Mix everything together. Now we'll cover this and cook it for 5 minutes. The brinjal is cooked nicely. Now we'll just mix it up once again and add the masala powder which we have already made and kept. Once the masala has been mixed for 2 to 3 minutes, we'll switch off the fire. I've already prepared the rice and kept it ready. We'll add the cooked rice into the mixture. Now mix the masala well so that it coats the rice nicely. So the masala has been mixed well and the Vangi Bath is ready. This can be served with some raita and papad. If you make the masala beforehand, you can make this into a lunchbox recipe as well. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.